Hey, it's me in 1080p. Hello. Also, hello, YouTube. I'm now multi-streaming, I think. Does the audio on YouTube work? I need a hello? Test. Hey. Can some fucker on YouTube figure out if this thing works? Hold on, let me Yes. Oh my god, it works. The audio works. How's the stream quality? I hope my internet doesn't throttle me after this stream. That would be very unfortunate. I was able to get the VOD audio track separated on YouTube. Hell to the fuck yeah. So there's no music on YouTube. I know that sounds... I know that it's probably really awkward. That entire intro was just empty fucking space. Next time, I'm just gonna... I'll start it early on Twitch, and then I'll start it when I actually start yapping on... Yeah, on the stream. I think because I can do that, I guess. Cool. Now I have to click on 2 fucking different chats. Look at this. Look at this workflow. What the hell is this, man? I gotta click here, and then I gotta click here. Let me figure out what I can do there. Can I pop this shit out? I can pop it out, and then maybe I can. No, I can't just attach the tab to custom browser doc name, YouTube chat. URL, apply. Oh, dude, we're so fucking ready. Although, okay, problem, I have to sign into the YouTube chat for some reason. That's not cool. Why can't I? Let me put it in between. Oh, there we go. Cool. That works, I guess. First stream on YouTube. Welcome. Hello. I haven't... So, funny enough, funny story. I have not streamed on YouTube. I have not tried to multi-stream on YouTube since 2019. Yeah, 2019 was apparently the last time I went live on YouTube, and I was playing Apex Legends. So that's that's I guess that's when I was playing games. 6 years, eh? Jeez. And then I chose to become a game dev. Good idea? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. I'm going to be honest. I was going to start the stream way earlier, but I had like 3 meetings for contract work. So that was really fun. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to start multi-streaming so then YouTube can see the stream. However, the only caveat is that there is no music on YouTube because YouTube would shoot me. I mean, they would take me out. I can't say the word shoot, can I? I don't know. I don't know the rules here. I don't know the rules around here. I feel like can't say gun in my gun game with guns and blood. Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. Also, first time streaming in 1080p. So because I upgraded my CPU and shit, I might as well try to see how it looks. Anybody, how's the 1080p looking? Are we buffering at all? Is anything fucking going wrong? Let me do an @ everyone on Discord before I forget. Let me yeah, dude, I had like 3 hours of meetings. That was really fun. I could have probably woken up early in the morning. Let's not talk about that. Yeah, we'll just look at this as like a test stream to see how everything goes. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that sounded aggressive. YouTube didn't hear that TTS, but damn it was fucking. All right, did YouTube hear that TTS? I don't think so. I don't think they would have heard that. I don't think I have my audio mixer set up to spit that on the YouTube side. I'll do some edits so that YouTube side has some audio, because I think you guys on YouTube can't hear the game audio. Yeah. I'll check. YouTube as a rewind on like this shitty website. Dude, hey, don't get so fucking aggressive, man. What the hell is this? Jeez. I also need to fix this screen because it only shows Twitch chat and it doesn't show YouTube chat. So we're gonna have to change some stuff. I'll get the audio figured out though. Okay, YouTube. All right. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Maverick, thanks for the Prime. Thank you. On Twitch. Now, do I have to start saying that? I'm not gonna say that. I'm just gonna say thanks for the Prime. Thank you. No TTS or music on YouTube. I know there's no music. But there is no game audio, which kind of fucking sucks balls. I'm gonna have to just like separate all of the audio inputs as their own things. That's gonna be fun. I guess this is my job, huh? Anyways, we'll just look at today as like a testing day. But yeah, for those that don't know, on YouTube, I stream every weekday. Well, mostly every weekday, for the most part. Some days I just don't because I'm doing something or something else is happening or I got sick. I got sick like 4 times in the past 3 months. So yeah, I still feel sick. Like I got cough still. I got a lingering cough. Permanent cough and runny nose. It's great, dude. Hell yeah. Now, I probably could take care of myself a bit. See, YouTube can't hear what it says. I'll rephrase what the clip says. It says, "Shit my pants, I did." It's like a Yoda voice where he says he's shitting himself, and then he looks down. And he's and that's basically it. I don't need to repeat it. Okay, just don't make me repeat it. Just that's what the thing is that pops up. You don't need to know anymore. Jay, thanks for the Prime as well. Thank you. Appreciate that. You stream on YouTube. We are now multi-streaming. Yeah. The idea is, well, it's so more people can watch the stream from different places and platforms. Not everybody likes Twitch, and the mobile app on Twitch fucking sucks balls. So, and also the VODs are permanent on YouTube, so you guys can like look back at the VODs rather than Twitch's shitty VODs that also throws like 50 million ads at you. So that's great. So instead, I feel like this is a good, yeah, good thing to go for. Now, if I say something stupid, it'll live forever. Great. Yeah. So don't do that. Someone will find it and cancel you. Okay. It will happen. Only if Grim reads it out loud. I will read it out loud, so it is it is there forever. Now, I don't know what happened, but my fucking chat is blurry. It's like I don't have glasses on. What happened? What the hell happened? Also, why does my hair look like this? I look like a psychopath. Oh, that didn't help at all. Oh, whatever. Yeah. For the YouTube people, I've been streaming a lot. I stream. That's the thing I do. It's funny because looking back, there's been so many people that would hop into the Twitch stream and be like, "Wait, hold on. I watched your YouTube videos." And it's like, well, I did a great job of telling people I stream. Because I just don't, you know, like YouTubers are like super obnoxious. I do this on my Twitch stream. Watch me live, like every single fucking video. And it's like every 3 minutes. I just don't really do a good job of that. I stopped doing that because I just don't care. Or I tried like not to make it obnoxious because I feel like it is really obnoxious. Anyways, I'm gonna be honest. I went live right after finishing my meeting and eating some croquetas, and I have no fucking idea what to do today. Yeah. It's a day of winging it. I noticed you're on YouTube, so I hopped on Twitch. Hey, perfect. It's working. It's working. What's a croqueta? Oh, white people. Croqueta. It's like fried ham. It's like fried ham. That's basically what it is. It's just fucking fried ham. It's breaded and fried ham. Okay, that's it. That's literally it. That's all it is, really. It's a deep fried like roll of ham. You could implement the fishing minigame today if you don't know what to do. I hope YouTube doesn't start using these memes about like fishing minigame and stuff like that. I hope it doesn't like transfer over like a virus. Inevitably, it probably will. Hello, does the game have fishing? All right, that was a YouTube comment. Just, yeah. Does the game have fishing? Yeah, well. Yeah, here we go. No. No, this game does not have fishing. Not have fishing, okay? What the hell would you do? Like, if you catch a fish in the game, what the hell would you do? You know what's nice about having YouTube side have no music? You could technically watch the YouTube stream if you wanted to, and then listen to your own music. It gives you the fish gun, duh. Wow, you're like really creative. That's crazy. Yeah, the latency on the YouTube side is on normal, not on low latency, so that it retains its quality. Because I feel like that's more important on the YouTube side. Oh, yeah. Rancor, thanks for the fucking tier 1, man. Thank you. Let me say the Shark Blaster 9000. That sounds like an item in Terraria. Luckily, we have somewhat similar taste in music. I'm going to start playing Latin music out of nowhere. I started working on a playlist yesterday. Out of nowhere, Latin music. Hold on. Out of nowhere, this starts playing on the stream. Yeah. Getting the vibe going. I discovered Russian Maidcore today. What the hell is Maidcore? Anyways, I'm not going to play this on stream right now. Have I thought about adding a small on-screen chat from both YouTube and Twitch? We used to have one, but I felt like it cluttered the stream. Like, there it is. It's right there. I felt like it kind of cluttered the stream a bit and made it, you know. Yeah, just cluttered the stream. Hello, my name is Bill Simmons. Will the fishing feature be added at some point? Thank you. Don't write that like you're in a fucking business email, okay? You got to write Lamau at the end of that. Lumfau. Just imagine that playing in the background of the beach level in Mario Odyssey. Does sound like something that would fit Mario, huh? It's mostly post-rock, metal, and some electronic music. It's like a mishmash or whatever goes. But why did they call it Maidcore? Why is it called Maidcore? What? Who? Why? When? Where did we leave off last time we worked on this? I don't remember. We have a big scope list of things that we need to do. Most of it is levels. Oh, last time we streamed, we worked on Dragon's Breath. Ah, right. Right. Yes. Yes. Artists that started it all named themselves with Japanese names and suffix the maid. Hello, Crimson. Would you consider adding a Among Us Easter egg to the game? Kind regards. What would the Easter egg be, huh? What would it be? You give me an idea. All right? Give me an idea. I have to release a fucking new test branch, actually, because we've made a lot of advancements, and I'd like to test those out. Oh, we need to get this stuff done to the main menu. Just add an Among Us skin and pray they won't sue. Now I could just ask them for ask them to do a partnership of some sort. You guys remember when Fortnite added their own Among Us style mode? And then the Among Us dev team was like, you know, you could have just asked us for a collab. Because I guess Fortnite didn't do a collab with them. You guys remember that? How's the third person feeling? Camera's still a little... Camera's still a little, you know, fucky wucky. There's some improvements we could still make there, I think. I also have to fix the AI so that they're not like just standing there. They have a distance multiplier. And I think if I reduce that on third person, that might be a good idea. I'm air frying nuggets. No, that's a good thing to do. That's what you want to do. That's how you get the good shit. That's how you get the... Uh-oh. Guys? Camera's not looking too hot. Someone reminded me about that. I'm gonna forget. I'm gonna need a reminder of that fuck up. Kobe. Well, that was close enough. It needs more slow-mo, more blood. What do you mean it needs more blood? It's got lots of blood. You need more blood? We got some slow-mo though. Here we go. I've run out of ammo. Oh, that counted as a gunshot, actually. That execution. That's interesting. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, that was weird. We might want to fix that. We have a system, I think, where if you're not looking at an enemy, their movement happens at a different rate. So then that way we can kind of optimize the enemies and top down. But in third person, technically any enemy that is behind you is considered off camera. So not very good. We might want to change that. Get up, XS. How's the 1080p, guys? Does it look any different? Does the stream look crisp? I've never been able to do a 1080p stream before. I've never done it before. We should also maybe put some props here so that you don't see like the enemy literally just fucking spawning. Dude, stop. What is he doing? I can't hit him. Looks better on Twitch? Really? Than YouTube? I was actually thinking of, I don't know if my computer would like this very much. I was actually thinking of doing 2 different encoders. So the YouTube one is running off of the same encoder. But YouTube's bitrate limit is like 15,000, whereas Twitch's is like 6,000. So I could, in theory, like do a different encoder for YouTube. It's just, I don't know if my computer would like that. Wow, I wish I could see what I was doing in here. So in theory, I could make the YouTube quality a lot better at some point or another. It looks like 720p on YouTube? Ain't no way. It looks that bad? There's no way it looks that bad. YouTube? Does it actually look like 720p? Did I fuck up my settings? Is it actually? No, it should have 1080p, right? Yeah. Yeah, maybe you just have to enable 1080p. I don't fucking know. It's notably HDer on Twitch. Doesn't Twitch or YouTube encode over it again when sending the video? I don't know. I'm using a plugin, and it just uses my main encoder. So in theory, the YouTube should be the exact same quality. Is it really that bad of a quality? Is it really that bad? Alright, put some gameplay on the screen so I can see if how considerably different it is. Where's the gameplay? Gameplay. Okay, put it over my face. Hold on, I'm gonna check this shit out. Oh, you know one thing? The YouTube latency is a lot higher. Like 30% higher. Oh yeah, you're right. The quality on YouTube is like while it is 1080p, the bitrate doesn't look that good. I might have to look into that. Maybe I do a different encoding then for YouTube and I just raise the bitrate on YouTube. Huh. YouTube itself encodes it again, maybe with the viewers. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Put it on the low delay mode. I kept it at normal latency because I kind of want the VOD quality to be, you know, better, I guess. So then that way the VOD isn't ass. I don't know. It's fucking just whatever. It's more noticeable on your camera when it's small in the corner. Low latency lowers the VOD quality? I believe so. I believe so. Yes. Okay, we'll figure that out. I don't know if I can do a separate encoding for YouTube. Like, I think my computer would explode. I think it would just... my computer would just explode. Or my GPU. Unless I do CPU encoding for YouTube and then GPU encoding for Twitch. I don't know. I'm using the same PC for everything, so yeah. Been slowly learning UE5 and I'm messing around with a top-down shooter, Twisted Saga. I have the character turning towards the mouse, but when I draw a line trace from the weapon barrel socket outward, it doesn't hit the mouse. How do you recommend getting the weapon barrel socket to hit the mouse cursor? How do you recommend getting the weapon barrel socket to hit the mouse cursor? Well, you know where your start line trace is, right? It's from your weapon socket or your weapon, whatever. We use a node called, this could give you, I guess, a bit of a direction. Something plane, if I remember correctly. What's it called? It's called line plane intersection. XS, thank you for the fucking tier 1. Thank you. Appreciate that. Smile. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe I'll try to increase the bit rate and we can test that out, but I don't know if my computer is going to like that very much. Luckily, we don't do gaming here, but I do make games, and that's probably as intense, if not more intense. Unless it's a UE5 game. That seems to be the narrative these days. Yeah, I would recommend using this. So basically, your line start would be... your line start could be from... Like, here we do it from the mouse location here. We use convert mouse location. You just copy this. I don't even know how to explain it properly. We take the world direction, we add it to the location, we keep going forward until it hits our plane. And the plane is basically where, this would be your gun barrel. This would be your gun barrel location. And the up vector would just be the up vector. So just make sure this is like always upwards. Which here I just use the capsule component, but I'm pretty sure you don't even need to use that. You could probably just make a vector and then it could just be 1 here. And that's probably the exact same, to be honest. And then wherever the intersection is essentially probably where you would want to aim for. And this intersection would feed into your end line trace of your line trace. That could be a good way to start. I can't like one-to-one teach you how this works, so I would say just, you know, try to read into how this node works and stuff. Maybe there's some documentation on it or something. I don't know. Yeah. But that gives you a start, I hope. Yeah, maybe it's like a data usage thing. I have no idea. No idea. Let me see if I can move my chat. It's like really low quality for some reason. Why is it so low quality? I gotta wear fucking glasses just to read my Twitch chat. Nah, whatever. Hold on, let me check something. Low quality comments, low quality look. I fucked over my whole OBS. I recently learned C++ to start developing with UE, and now the next step is to how to use it in UE and learning Blueprint. You're going to find out apparently that UE C++ is a little different from normal C++ because it has its own like built-in stuff. Yeah. Usually you'd learn Blueprint first. Well, hey, you know, whatever works. Everyone's learning journey is going to be a bit different. There's no right or wrong necessarily. I'm going to change music mix. This isn't working out for me. My brain is like... Seems like Blueprint is something crazy, but hey, maybe it's just me. Well, you know, when I went into Unreal, I was coming from a non-programming background, non-like syntax programming background. So for me, Blueprints was just easier for me to grasp, especially considering how like it's very visual and stuff like that. It was easier for me to learn. My next step is I'm going to learn C++ to like expand my capabilities. Someone as an old noob, this is fascinating and awesome at the same time. What, you mean this big fucking subway line? Hey, close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Don't look at this shit. This is awful. It's like an alien fucking forming. All right. Anyways, yeah, we're working super hard on the levels. I got 2 environment artists helping out with creating some of the levels as well. Flipside is being worked on. Chock-a-Block is being worked on. Oxtail is being worked on. Dragon's Breath. Maybe we could work a little bit on Dragon's Breath today. But fuck it. You know, we were doing it last stream. Let's follow up on that. Any websites or course or pieces of paper where I can learn Blueprint? When I learned Blueprint, or like when I looked at most of my like beginner stuff, I guess, or like, you know, getting into it, that was like 6 years ago. So that was a while ago. And I think a lot of that is like outdated at this point, or not outdated, but like there's probably better stuff out there now to learn. I would say just throw yourself into the engine, get some like free marketplace assets and just throw them into the project and just start fucking around with it. And that would probably be the first thing I would say to do. I do have some like tutorials on my YouTube channel, but they're like very basic, like how to make a door open and then using like an interface and stuff, or like turning on lights and turning off lights with buttons and whatnot. But that could be like a good introduction. It is in UE4 though, so it's a little outdated. Yeah, it's a little outdated. Anyways, a lot of the YouTube peeps, everything in here is going to be like new to them because I don't share this stuff on YouTube until it's like ready. But here's one of the new levels we're working on. It might be, you might recognize it. Hold on, let me freeze my game real quick. We're working on a bunch of levels right now, a lot. Can you play piano there? No, but I do want to make it so when you shoot the piano, it makes a noise. Oh yeah, Dust 2. Listen, don't talk about Dust 2. It's not Dust 2. It's called Rush B, okay? The level's called Rush B, not Dust 2. Anyways, I do think one thing that's really important here is that it's really dark. I would love to make it so the player by default keeps their flashlight on for this level, but I don't know if I want to make that like a forced element on the player. Once we put some floorings and shit, it'll probably look a bit better in here. Hold on, let me hide my stream real quick. I could make a keybind. I literally clicked L thinking L was turn on lights button, but I don't have that button in the game. So maybe we will put that in the game. I don't know. But yeah, I don't really have any Blueprint recommendations besides, I guess, a couple of my videos. I'm planning on, I've created a second YouTube channel for like more game dev related stuff. The channel that I'm currently streaming on is going to be more for like players of my games, I guess, if that makes sense, or more like generalized stuff rather than like hyper specific. I'm not going to be posting any more tutorials on this channel specifically, on the YouTube channel. So, but the other secondary channel, I'll probably post some more techie shit. Yeah. I like the idea of tiles and using a lot of carpets. We're probably going to want to use a mix of woods. I really like that idea. Anyways, let's start laying out some shit in here. My beautiful floor generator tool. I wish I could generate this on the fly using a blueprint mesh. That'd be fucking crazy, dude. That'd be crazy. I could like select this box and be like, generate my shit. And then it generates my shit. And then we all fucking go crazy. It would be awesome. Maybe something for the future. I don't think I have the time to generate that now. I don't even know if I could read that information from Blueprint. I think that would be one of the limitations of Blueprint, like right there. I'm actually going to do something. Where is the floor bounds end at? Let's do minus 500. That way I can move this on the grid. My eyes! Shit's fucking freaking out, man. Let's do this. No. Do this. Yes. What is this floor? How are we gonna structure this floor? This floor fucking sucks. Let's move this into place, I guess. And do we want to do that? Possibly. I've somehow broken. Okay, of course I did. Now we have this piece that looks like an L. Well, that's a fucking L. Okay, so let's just move this here then, I guess. Not even there. We'll do it like this, I think. Yeah, that looks good to me. Sorry, I know there's some Z fighting going on. I apologize. It's probably hurting people's eyes. I don't doubt it. It's hurting my eyes, let me tell you. My eyeballs are not having a good time right now. This is not a fucking dance party. Let me tell you. This shit's not a dance party. This is awful. Should use the modeling tool for this. You can snap your floor in precisely each corner. I just use I have my own kind of tool, but I definitely could have probably designed it better so that I could like have a snap system. Probably would have been a really good idea. The modeling tools in UE4 are kind of shit. Whereas the UE5 is a little better. But because this is like a custom blueprint and it uses vectors, it's a bit of a nuisance. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of things I can improve on this thing. Definitely a lot of things I can improve on this thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete the blockout meshes. Just be one mesh for each level. Yeah, I just the modeling tools in UE4 are not as good as the UE5 ones. And are yeah, kind of like they're shit. they're kind of just not good. So this is like my own blueprint. Like I made it entirely like my own system for making floors. So they all run off of instance meshes. I do plan on making like a plugin for this, and at some point I would love to make it so I can do exactly what you're saying, which is like A, snap them together, and then B, make a system so I can snap and then also like bake them down. Glitch, thanks for the prime, dude. Thank you. Shit, my pants I did. Fucking dude, we need to change that. It's 2025. We can't be using that still. Are they even modeling tools in UE4? Yes, but they're extremely limited and they're shit. It's the BSP brush editing tools. They're like not great. It ain't no source engine, let me tell you. It ain't no source engine. Oh yeah, I forgot we have this hole here. Well, that's gonna make that's gonna complicate things. I don't think this is. Oh, it is big enough. Guys. Oh, fuck. Okay. Yeah, what I would have done is if I furthered this tool a little bit more, I would definitely add some like controls in here that would snap it to the nearest floor mesh. That would have been a really good idea. Maybe we do that today. Maybe I just say fuck it and I add some tools in for this. Be sick if you made your next game in Source Engine. Yeah, it'd be so sick. Me being so fucking confused. Oh god, the UV of this is so off. I don't think I have a 200 by 200 floor piece, which is actually really stupid of me. And the 200 by 400 is not a power of 2, or not power of 2. It's not like 200 by 200, so it doesn't work. I'm trying to say I should fucking fix that. It's enough that he's willing to do C++ for the next one. I don't even know what the workflow is like for adding gameplay elements to a Source game. Like, I don't even know where... I should try Sandbox. I feel like Sandbox would give me like a bit of a start in learning how that shit works. So, one big problem with this currently is going to be the tiling is going to look like ass. We'll have to fix that. But for now, let's just give it a material. Not great. Not great. Ooh, not great at all. The builder ordered different sized tiles, and they're all, some of them are stretched. I don't know. Like, can we make up some bullshit reason for this? Can we make up some bullshit for this? How you doing, Woozy? I'll further your tool, pal. What the hell? What does that even mean? It's under construction. There's a hole. Yeah, true. Actually true. I'm going to move this down here. Just make it cement. No, I want it to be tiles so that I can take inspiration from our original thing. This is looking a little too close, actually. Anyways, we'll figure it out. We'll clean up these floors. We'll clean up the UVs and everything. It's going to look great. It's going to look fantastic. I need a 200 by 200 floor piece. Or, alternatively, I fix my stupid tool and I make the floor bounds work based on different sizes. Here we have a floor bounds X. Where's that? That is set to 0, 0, 0. What? What do you mean it's set to 0, 0, 0? Who made this? Don't you have any textures that are world aligned? I do, which would fix the problem. I do, but not this specific material. And this is the material I want. I guess I could just create a fucking duplicate of it or something. I'm not too worried about it right now. We'll fix that later. As long as we have the floor pieces in, that's what matters. And let's get some walls in here too. Wall generator. Let's get the wall generator in here. Second piece of the puzzle. Architectural wall. Yeah, this is going to trigger a lot of people on YouTube because they don't... If this is your first time watching the stream, I have given up trying to make things pixel perfect. I think I think it is a huge waste of time trying to make everything like perfectly to the fucking grid. It helps to do that. Don't get me wrong. But I've stopped doing that because I feel like after doing it for the longest period of time and trying to make everything so perfect, The player just doesn't care. The player will not care. The player won't care. As long as it doesn't have any like crazy Z fighting that hurts their eyes or some other shit, I really don't think the player cares. It's just about the workflow. So I will agree. I think having some snapping tools does help quite a bit. It does help. But doing it for the end user, I think is kind of just like a waste. Unless you're like snapping walls together that you don't want like any holes in them. And we do have that problem. Once we get out of like in like crazy number territory, we do start seeing some precision errors, which is really annoying. Not a good time. Not a good time. So for this, we're going to add concrete. For some reason, I have to select both of the wall materials separately. Okay, great, I guess. I'm fully triggered right now. I'm going to start a riot. January 6th, all over again, huh? January 6th, all over again, huh? This is completely unhinged behavior from the dev. Everything you've learned is a lie. You don't need everything to be perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. In fact, imperfection makes it more realistic. Sound, thanks for the fucking 46 months, man. Sheesh. You can shoot me for saying that. Like, that's okay. Like, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, dude. I don't know. Like, I got it's in my vocabulary now. What's next? You gonna tell me that there's a void behind my character camera? Yeah. Yeah, nothing behind the camera renders. Did you know that? Yeah, Sound, how's it going, man? As long as it look good? Yep, yep. That's the same argument with everybody that like argues about like which programming language is the best. Dude, your end user doesn't care about what fucking programming language you're using. Just use the one that works for you. Walls! We got fucking walls! I'm gonna duplicate this. That didn't copy paste. Okay, now it did. Nice. I'm supposed to start work today. Got 1 hour of sleep, so my start day is now next Monday. Was supposed to start work today. Got 1 hour of sleep, so my start date is now next Monday. So wait, you didn't go into work? Like, what happened? Like, did you tell them that you're not going into work? Imagine driving a car on 1 hour sleep. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair point. Fair point. For some reason, they do care if it's Unity. No. Unity's not the thing anymore. It's Unreal now. If the game's in UE5, the game is dog shit. Okay? The new thing is UE5. Nanite bad. UE5 bad. Yeah, that's the new thing. No one cares about Unity anymore. In fact, I feel like Unity is... I feel like the meme in Unity now with the gaming community is that Unity runs better than Unreal games, so Unity better. I feel like that's the narrative right now. That's what it is right now, dude. Oh, God. Yeah. That's the new narrative. Boy, thank you for the prime. Thank you for the prime. Thank you very much. Crim's so ashamed of using Unity that he's even made his game look like a he's made his Unreal game look like a Unity game. Hey, fuck you, man. I swear, whenever people say my game looks like Unity, I feel like they're trying to fucking roast it. Like, there's nothing against Unity games. There's some really fucking good looking ones out there. it's just I feel like when someone says that, it's like, or when someone says, "Oh, your game looks like a mobile game," in my head, I'm like, "You motherfucker, what are you trying to say?" You aren't wrong there. UE5 is getting a bashing. It is, man. It is. I've been seeing Reddit posts pop up about Nanite, and people are like, "Dude, Epic is giving no information about Nanite. Blah blah blah. They're like miscommunicating." Motherfucker, they made like 6 videos talking about Nanite, and even like I think the lead dev of Nanite made a 2-hour-long stream or video that like talks about Nanite. Like, what else do you want them to do? Fucking, do you want them to come to your house to fucking teach you how to use the fucking thing? Like, jeez. That's funny, dude. Moved over to Twitch better than YouTube? Hey, hell yeah. Hey, welcome. Although both are very good. I'm going to try to figure out what I can do for the YouTube side to make that feel as good. But there is more chat activity on Twitch, I will admit, because obviously I used to always stream on Twitch. I did, you know what I ended up doing? I ended up putting in the YouTube description, I put in the description links to my stream. Am I allowed to do that? Am I going to get slapped by YouTube or Google for that? People want a silver bullet. It's like the people that just like they hit the fucking make me game button. That's the link I used. Perfect. The link is working then. Yeah, the Twitch side I can have music. The YouTube side I cannot. Otherwise, YouTube would shoot me in the face with a paperclip gun. Damn, this wood floor has got no fucking color. This has no tiles to it. I'm gonna choose this one. If you read the YouTube playbook, they tell you to promote your product, aka Twitch. Fuck yeah. Twisting the system. Hell yeah. Well, you guys told me to do it. I didn't do shit. Unless you have an exclusivity contract. I do not. In fact, I'm not even a partner here on Twitch. It's been 8 years. Been doing this shit for 8 years. Holy moly. Holy moly. That's crazy. That's crazy. Been doing this for 8 years. Wowee. All right. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. That's just the builder. They fucked up. I don't know what to tell you. Quick question, yes or no? I got our custom Rigify thing imported to UE. Can I use virtual bones in place of IK bones? Quick answer, you can utilize virtual bones, but yeah, I think you probably could. The only thing is with virtual bones, you're not going to be able to animate it like you would be able to IK bones. That's going to be your primary difference, Proxy. So you're not going to be able to animate it and give it like custom fucking, you know, translations and stuff. You should be able to use virtual. If you are like doing the virtual bone yourself and setting the location in the blueprint like code itself, then you're fine. But if you need it to like do custom shit while animating something, you're probably going to want to create the actual IK bones and add them to your skeleton. Grim, you got to get this floor going. Hey, listen, motherfucker, what are you, my contractor? Jeez. What up, Hit? Hope you're doing good. I'm doing well. Hope you're doing well. Might be. Yeah, you better. Yeah, you watch it. Listen, if you want to boss me around, you're going to have to pay me, okay? Right, motherfucker? Yeah, you're right, though. Listen, I'm just chatting. All right, what do we make this floor, guys? What's this floor? What do we make this floor? It's got a carpet in here. Do we do more wood? Maybe maybe concrete? Maybe we do concrete for this room? Cool little concrete room? Or maybe a different type of tile? I don't know. There's work here. Different type of tile. What do we call it? Mosaic tile? I don't know. Floor tile? I don't remember what it's called. Floor? Hold on, let me go into the folder. Which marketplace asset was it? What was it called? Sorry. Do a fishbone wood floor? Motherfucker, I don't even know what that is. What the hell is a fishbone wood floor? We got a carpenter in chat. Hold on, I'm looking for the asset. A bizarre machine gun. Here we go. Let me do materials and material instances. What the fuck? There's no materials. Okay, hold on. What if I look in here? Brick color, ground, fruit, flour, concrete, cobble patch, linen. No, that's not it. That's not what I want. Stone pattern. Stone pattern, eh? No, that's not it. No, I don't think that's it. Spice. Oh, that's not it either. Table, stone, porcelain. Do fruit flies wood floor? Now you guys are just saying shit at this point. You guys are just naming things. Random things. Those aren't real. None of what you just said is real. High grade marble inlaid with gold. I do have that, actually. I have that right here. Yeah, I got some of that right here. What's it called? It was called tile. Tile something. Ceramic tile? No, that's not it. There's another one that I have. It's somewhere in here. What if I search up Roman? Huh? Huh? Oh? Yes. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Yeah. Kind of like the really small one. Romans invented the floors. This is true. This is true. Without them, we'd still be on dirt right now. All right, let's get this middle room in here. Delete that. Block out box. Now the ceiling is going to come back. Go away. Thank you. Oh yeah, I binge watched the new season of Arcane over the weekend. Holy moly, there's a lot of fucking shit going on. I was lost at one point. It kind of didn't help that I was skipping through a lot of parts. Maybe that's why I was confused. Anyways, that's not part of the point. There was a lot going on. But man, that was like a really fucking eye candy thing. Did I binge watch Squid Game season 2? Fuck no. I watched the latest episode, I skipped through it, and I was like, wow, this is basically just the same thing all over again with slight changes. I could care less for it, to be honest, personally. Personally, it's not for me. What do we put in this room? Concrete? I'm stoked for Severance. I saw a trailer for that. I did see a trailer for that. I was curious. But I feel like maybe it's just not a show for me. Having a tile into tile looks kind of weird. I don't know if I want to do cheap rug in here. I don't know if I want to do like a rug. It's the one where they forget where they work. Thanks for spoiling it. What the hell? Why'd you spoil it, man? What's Arcane about? I keep hearing it. It's like a League of Legends story, kind of following some of the characters from the world in like a specific location. It's not a spoiler. I know. I'm just kind of I'm just joking. I'd recommend it if you're a League fan. If you're a fan of League, I think it's a pretty cool show. I thought it was really well made, but I will say the newest one really did feel like, yeah, it felt like just like eye candy, which is great. I like super visual. It almost felt like some of the parts were like a music video, but like animated. I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah. Game world related, yeah. Okay, so we need to remove this part. It'd be so good if I had a fucking, like, a box. I could put a box and it just booleans it and then creates the fucking thing. Dude, that'd be crazy. Nope, it's not that easy. Not that easy. It's not 100%. Yeah. It's just, it's like, it's based on the world, but it's not 100% like, yeah. I don't want to put another concrete floor in here because I feel like it would look like shit. I'm gonna change the music again. What was this artist again? I think this was like a really fast beat from a bass. Oh, no, it's not. Not that. No. No. Oh, no. Severance isn't available in France. Why? I don't know. Did they talk bad about the French in it? Did you see the new characters announcement for Rivals? No, I didn't. What's the new characters announcement? Sell skins to make things like Arcane? It's because a lot of fucking news channels were like, dude, Arcane is a financial failure. That's the only thing fucking news reporters can latch on to. This made no money. They fucked up. Because everything needs to be about money, including art. Time for a rant? No, I'm not. No. No rant. Not today. You can't get me to rant. It's my first day on YouTube. I'm kind of new here. I'm new here. I can't rant. I wonder if the 1080p actually gives that considerable much of like a quality difference. I really wonder. And then tomorrow I'll try to do a test where I increase the bitrate and do a different encoder for YouTube. And we'll see if that improves the YouTube side. Hey, what's going on with my music? Why does it sound like it's dying? All right. What's next? Well, we do need to do this upper area. I think I'm gonna make it out of something. I don't know what else. What I'm gonna make it out of. We're gonna reuse this tile in one of these rooms. I think the kitchen. We'll reuse this tile. That makes sense. Dude, I remember this fucking song. I swear I remember hearing this song when I was in school. That's how old this shit is. Dude, I'm getting old. 15 years ago? I don't know when this fucking song came out. 2010? It is 15 years old. Oh my god. Build lighting. I don't want to talk about this anymore. You said 15 and I was like, nah, bullshit. It's like 8. No, it's 15. I hate when you talk about getting old and I'm older. Yeah, all right, Gramps, I'm sorry. I apologize. Someone less lazy than me should do a Crim bingo card generator. I would legit get every bingo all the time. Everyone would get bingo. It's just a matter of who gets it first. That sounds like a fun idea to get people engaged. Make a bingo sheet. One of them could be does push-ups. Oh, wow. Okay. So in my hopes that the level would actually be brighter, I have somehow made the level darker. That's not right. Redeemed 5 push-ups deserved. Okay, motherfucker. Dude, I worked out like days ago and my arms are still fucking weak. Do I need to like intake more protein or something? Why does my level look like straight ass? What happened? It was supposed to look a lot brighter, but I've somehow made it darker. How is this shit darker? What happened? Like, the colors aren't that different from before. Was it like brighter? I don't know. Gives a bit of a Murder at the Mansion vibes. I do kind of want it to be a little dark, but not like too dark. Right now it is a little too dark, I will say. Increase the attenuation radius of these. You need to eat more to convert it into muscles usually. Dude, I don't got that kind of money, man. For food. I don't got that kind. Well, I do, but like, I'm really bad with spending. I gotta buy groceries. I gotta order some groceries. Oh, wait. Nah, whatever. I think I understand why people have a whole training session in the morning. I'm like a nighttime person. I could go to the gym right now. It's like almost 9 p.m. I could go right now. I could see myself going. Like I say that right now, but like then I wouldn't go. You stopped ordering food, now you have some free cash. Wait, but by me not ordering food anymore, I'm like not eating anymore. So like guys, I think it's possible that Drink the Sea is the last album I ever bought on CD. The last album I ever bought on CD, which is also funny enough, the first album I ever bought was the Deadmau5 album. I don't even know if I still have it. I think my parents have it at their place. That is the only album I have ever purchased. Is the where the fuck are you, Deadmau5? It's the math one, the D math. I don't fucking know. What do you call it? Albums. The only one I've ever bought, I think, was this one. Oh, and this. While One is Less Than Two, and 2016 album. I think. No, wait, that's not true. Fuck, man. Why has it got so many mathematical shit? This isn't even right. This isn't even equal 12. 4, 8, 12. Yeah, that's 16, motherfucker. This is the one I bought. Yeah. I bought it at like a music store that I think doesn't exist anymore in Canada. I think they went out of business. Oh, God. Pretty sure it's out of business now. If you had to eat at one fast food joint for 1 week and nothing else, what would it be? And probably like fucking fast food. Let's see. Okay. Homophobic chicken place. Chick-fil-A. Probably Chick-fil-A. Yeah. Because they got like salads and shit. I would trust their food over anything. I would eat McDonald's for a month easy. Bro, I would not fucking trust McDonald's anymore. I would choose Taco Bell. Dude, what are you trying to do? Fucking go to the hospital? Is how you're trying to do? Subway? Okay, I would have chosen Subway like 10 years ago. Now they're just shit. Now they're just shit. My body doesn't seem to like McBurgers that much. Fast in, fast out. Well, you know, I guess maybe that's a plus. $100 footlong? Dude, they increased the prices of the burgers, and then they made the burgers, the sandwiches smaller. That's criminal. And people still go by there. I would have maybe said Subway like years ago, but not anymore. I haven't gone to Subway in a year. I haven't gone to Tim Hortons in a year. I've fucking cold turkeyed all of those fast food places. I'm done. I'm evolving. I'm soon, before you know it, I'll be fucking Thanos. Home cooking is better? Yeah, I'm just really bad at it, I'll be honest. I'm really bad at it. I'm not the best at home cooking. All sandwich places give me dry as bread. You gotta go to like a good sandwich place, man. You gotta go to like a really good sandwich place. Find a good sandwich place. Find a place that treats you right, you know? The way that you should be treated. Or learn to make bread. It's very easy. Yeah, okay, fucking guy who lives in like a random shed in the middle of nowhere. Like, come on, man. Just have some chickens and get eggs on your own, and then like fucking farm the flour yourself. It's easy. It's really not that hard. I never liked the fast food burgers. Well, there you go. It's fucking easy deterrent. Just not liking it. Yeah, making bread does like takes quite a bit of time, man. And also, you can fuck it up really easily depending on what kind of bread you make. Like sourdough. I witnessed my girlfriend go down the fucking slippery slope of trying to make sourdough. She went crazy. Because it would like never rise. It's like so, you have to like, it has to be like perfect. I went to go sit down at a restaurant yesterday for the first time in months. Came out to about $60 per person. What happened? Where are you at, Proxy? Are you in Canada? Because that's Canada for you. Shit's expensive, man. Like, you know, it's really funny because McDonald's used to be like the spot you would go when you're like, just realized there's something I could do to improve this. You would go to McDonald's because like you're low on cash. That used to be like the spot you would go. Now it's not. Like McDonald's is a fucking luxury, at least here in the Western world. I don't know what it's like in Europe. Actually, I think in Europe it's probably even more expensive. I know Switzerland is fucking balls expensive. They're insane over there. Might do this actually. Can I not snap this to? I can. Okay, good. Yeah, it's fucking crazy expensive. Those were the days. Yeah, $1 cheeseburger, or like back in the day in like at McDonald's, you would get like two cheeseburgers for $3 or some shit. That doesn't fucking exist anymore, man. Switzerland, Luxembourg are like the most expensive places you could pick for Europe. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, for this area, let's pick wood again. So let's go wood. Sick. We got wood on this side, and then we got wood on this side. So we're keeping a little bit of consistency. We're just kind of switching it up. Now, I wish my light map bake didn't look like complete fucking ass. Let's take a look. Build the lighting now. Europe is still the Western world? No, it's not. No, the Western world is just us Americans, okay? Here in Americas. Got to go there to check on your offshore Swiss account. Yeah, for like the $50 I have inside of it. Yeah. Got to go check my Swiss account for the $56.32 that's inside of it. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm not fucking looking at YouTube chat. Has anybody... Okay, never mind. There's nothing. I haven't missed anything. I've only had... I'm getting used to this, okay? I'm new here. Hey, you know, at least we'll have the VODs forever now. Well, for as long as YouTube is alive and allows it. Oh, hey, would you look at that? Our light bake happened, and it looks like shit. Why is everything so dark? What happened? Let's increase the brightness of our light map a little bit, or not light map, sky map, skylight. I can't speak English anymore. East starts around Poland or Ukraine, depending on who you ask. Whatever, man. I'm gonna call it the Western world because I'm American. Well, not American. I'm Canadian, but same thing, right? Soap. Thank you for the prime. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm in the Upper East Coast, migrated from California. Upper East Coast? So that would be like, what's around there? I'm trying to think. Buffalo? Right? I think Buffalo's up there, right? Maine? That's not a real place. Um, if shit's expensive there, that's still fucking crazy. Massachusetts, New York, man. Gotcha. All Maine viewers just left. all one Maine viewer. It's not a real place. How dare he? Peace out, sound. Get some good rest, man. Get some good rest. This level's too fucking dark, man. How is it that this area is so much brighter? Oh, because the moon is seeping in. Oh, I didn't think of that. Whoops. I didn't really think of that. You know, that was not something I thought of in my head. Oopsies. So here's a cool thing. If I set this to its original material, it's gonna fucking break all the material references. Woohoo. Woohoo. Right. Good job, me, coming up with shitty systems. Are you flush? Close enough. Ooh, I actually kind of like this detail because now the railing has an edge to it. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's hot. Unintended detail. I love it. You love to see it. Let's do the same thing here. Dude, hell yeah. Unintended detail. I love it. Gotta bounce too. Hey, peace out, KND. Yeah, it's a little bit of a later stream today. We'll probably just do a little bit of like level design and I'll fucking probably fuck off for the night. Try to stream earlier tomorrow. No guarantees. No guarantees. Are all of these pieces considered final piece? Yeah, it is. Whatever. We'll just have a little bit of Z fighting. It gives it character. It reminds people that this is an indie game. It'll remind them that this is an imperfect game. Let's increase the attenuation on this one so that we get a little bit of nice light coming through. All right, build the lighting again. I don't know if it's because I'm streaming. Sometimes when I stream and I build lighting, the build result is actually very different from what I would get without streaming. It's kind of weird. So I'll probably have to rebuild this off stream to get like a proper like result. Yeah. Most likely. Yeah, I don't know. This shit got so dark. We are gonna add like white to the walls, so that might help with making the bounce lighting a bit more. You make your coffee last long? What the? Oh, what the fuck is that? What the hell is that? Oh, I didn't see that. Oh. Can I do this? Is that legal for my system to do that? Probably not meant for it to be like that, but let's just do it anyways. For sure, lower quality. I don't know if it's necessarily quality. It's just you get artifacts, like really weird artifacts that are like random. It's like, doesn't make any sense. Any pointers on making an IK from scratch? I understand pretty much everything from 2-byte IK, FBIK, procedural animation system, etc. Trying to find a good workflow from Blender UE. I would search up some of the UE5 stuff. There's a bunch of, and also look at the samples. A bunch of the samples has IK systems. And there are some tutorials out there for UE and setting up like your own custom IK system. If you're talking about like stuff like leg IK or foot IK and stuff like that, arms, there's probably some tutorials out there about like arms, like getting it to attach to a weapon and stuff. Yeah, you could try a control rig. I have no experience with control rig yet, to be completely honest with you. I have not dabbled in the control rig. What's really cool about these inside buildings is that they are already using our wall generator. So what we could do is select all of these inside pieces and give them the material. This process is not as fun. I have to paste them in manually for all of them. Not fun. It would. Okay, there we go. It was working. I thought I wasn't doing it properly. Okay, we got to do the same thing here. Great. This is a lot of fun. This isn't even the material I want, dude. This is just to get started. We could probably, what kind of pillar should we give this? A brick. We're gonna give this brick. Yeah, brick tiled 2, tiled 3, much better. Darkness, no fade. No, darkness with fade. Yeah, it's much better. Now, the inside walls, we will, fuck it. I guess we'll just give it. It's the wrong way. Guess we'll just make everything the same. Although it's kind of boring. We'll adjust this. I think it would be cool to have some like brick, kind of make it more industrial, I guess. Now, I missed a wall. Now, if I bake this, we should, in theory, okay, see more light bounce baking. We should see more light because the lights are bouncing off of the walls and the ceiling and the blah, 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 the blah, blah, blah. And you know what I mean? Yeah. Right. Right? The ceiling is being considered into the light bake, right? It should be. We should watch the NVIDIA presentation. Man, you guys can just tell me what happens, okay? Thanks. just fill me in, okay? Just fill me in on what's happening. I think you're confusing the Eastern Hemisphere with the saying Eastern world, the West Eastern world. You mean Western world? Oh, see? Yeah, we totally got more light baking. Look at this room. This room looks, I will say, very construction-esque, which is not exactly what I'd like. I do want it to have still a feeling of like that it's been lived in a little bit. Eastern world / Western world, which is just more so separating cultures. Yeah, I know. I just say it because so many people are like it's been used like it's this bad thing in some narratives. They're like the Western world, and I just say the Western world now. Give me the Cliff Notes version, exactly, dude. I ain't got time for that shit. Okay, how does this look in play? Let's see. I want to see if the walls fade out properly and everything. Excuse me? What do you mean the darkness wall isn't fading out? It's the right material, isn't it? What? Fuck. Wasn't sure if you were really confused. I don't think I am. I could be. I don't know. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to set up use masking on these things. I forgot that was a Boolean. Use masking 1. Yes. Now we should see the right result. It's correct, I think. I can't tell. Because this shit's not fucking initialized properly. Why is this shit so dark, man? I mean, loud. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm going fucking crazy. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. What are words? Yeah, the walls feel a little bit bland. They feel very much like drywall, or yeah, it feels like drywall that hasn't been painted yet, which is not the vibe I want to go for. We might need to start doing like traditional like wallpaper walls. I think that would match kind of like the European aesthetic a lot more. And then these doorways need arches. I think that would give the vibe as well. But I am liking the lighting a little bit more. This room feels fucking sick. This needs some like furniture that has like cloth on it. You know what I mean? Like that shit that they put on like when they're painting a room to protect it. That would look awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, some portraits would be good too. Yeah. Paintings would be great. We got rugs, but I think we could make do with even more. We can definitely make do with more. Do I want to do like that big of a detail pass right now? I guess fuck it. I guess fuck it then. Yeah, I guess this floor wouldn't really have concrete on it with all this shit on here, huh? This room would be empty. This needs to be a different material. Concrete's not gonna cut it. It ain't gonna cut it. We need something more homey. What do we use? What do I use for this floor? With a concrete floor? Yeah, I was picturing it as like maybe they ripped out the floors, but then if they did that, they wouldn't have anything in this room, like a piano, for example. Yeah, well, yeah. Listen, I didn't think it through. What if we do a really tiny ceramic tile checker? Yes. And then the other spots are like that. But then this room wouldn't have concrete flooring either, would it? Here we have like a mosaic kind of style thing. I don't like this in this middle room because I feel like it's supposed to be like kind of a homey room. I feel like it would work well with a rug. But then it feels weird having a rug and then carpets on top of the rug. Do you think people would do that? Do you think they'd put carpets on top of a rug? I don't know. I like the red. I do like it. I don't think it would match very well, but it's not bad. I kind of like it. The red looks nice. I do kind of like the red. The red looks kind of sick. But then having carpets inside of here wouldn't make too much sense, would it? Because there's already a rug. You know what I mean? Like, that could work. And then maybe we do like a trim around this that's like wood or something. Like a wood floor. I'm not going to do those kind of details right now because like, fuck that, man. Yeah. Sure, let's go with that. And then of course we're going to have a shit ton of papers everywhere, but I don't know if I want to put that detail in yet because that's like a really big detail. It would help break everything up though. Just a shit ton of papers. Bake the lighting. Let's take a look. Bake it. Bake it. Bake the lighting. I'm hungry again. Those 7 or 6 croquetas that I ate was definitely not enough to keep me going. I'm losing energy. I need some fucking food. I need sustenance. I can't order food. It's 9 p.m. Where do I go? What the hell do I do? I think I have a grocery store nearby I could go to. Is it closed though? Let me check. Guys, please don't be closed. Closing soon? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Shush. Maybe like a higher area where the piano sits might make it a bit more bougie looking, like one step higher. Oh, fuck. I'd have to... Like, would you mean just around the piano? Or like, they're like half the room is elevated? Or, guys, there's a fucking hole in the floor? The thing I like is that each room has a different like floor sound. Although I don't think wood has its own floor sound. I don't remember actually. It should. I don't remember. it doesn't. Oh, shit. Well, that's cringe. Yeah, we could elevate. We could elevate. It would be kind of annoying to get working, though. Unless I do it in like a really specific way. Yeah, we do have like an elevated section here. I think what would help this room is if we make the edge trim like wood and make it like go in a direction based off of, so it's like this would be this way and then this one would be this way and then this way and then that way. I think that could look kind of cool. That'll add a little bit of breakup in the rug as well, and then give like a little bit of an edge trim. That'll help the floor there. This room, we just have to fix the tiles looking inconsistent sizes. You know, this room I think is great. I think this room has the vibe. Just needs a bit more detail and shit. I like the vibe of this room. The kitchen I think also feels really good. The lighting also feels really nice in here. Yeah, I like the lighting in there. This room not bad. I like the floor. Floor looks sweet. This room feels a bit like the other room. We could give it a bit more to be more unique. Cool though. We got the floors in, which I believe is a task. Walls / architecture, kind of getting there, not done yet. Cool. I think I'm going to call it here. Pretty good testing for the 1080p and also for 1080p. Hopefully the stream looked good, right? Hope. On YouTube, I think we could probably improve it a bit more. I think we could enable a different encoder for YouTube, but that would eat a lot of resources on my computer. So, we can try it, but if my computer explodes, I'm gonna say it's your guys' responsibility. Yep, I just put it on you. So yeah, yeah, but cool. Good little test stream. Hopefully, we didn't have any issues. I don't see any drop frames or anything, so I think my computer's able to handle it. I guess the true test would be trying to play a game on stream, but I don't think I'm ever going to do that. I'm not a game streamer. I'm a game dev / just chatting streamer because I fucking rant so much. Anyways, I'm going to go see if I can go to the grocery store before it closes. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for dropping by. Hopefully I'm online tomorrow. What the fuck? Could you, motherfucker? I was ending my stream. What am I supposed to do now? Now that we got a raid, what the hell do I do? I feel like I'm obligated to stay here. What do I do? Hey, me too, I was ending my stream? Yeah, I couldn't tell. That's crazy. That's crazy. Wow, that's insane. I would have never known. Raid somebody else? You know what? Yeah. I'll raid someone else. I'll end the YouTube stream because I think I could do that. So goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye. First YouTube stream in a while. Goodbye. I think if I push this button, it should turn it off on that one and not